Hi there! This is Chinkitan. And then, meron ako tatanungin sa inyo, narinig nyo na ba itong katabagan itong YOLO? Y-O-L-O. What does it stand for? You only live once. So, live life to the fullest. Eat, drink, and be merry. Ika nga ubusan. Diba? Bakit natin, diba, ipapagbubukas pa? Mag-enjoy na tayo ngayon. Kung may pera ka, ubusin mo. Diba? Kung kasama yung mga friends mo, talagang todo na. Ika nga, live a carefree life. Well, if you think that way, unfortunately, we have 5 young people from the age of 38 up to 16 or 18 who passed away during the last major concert of a big company. So in the process, ano po nangyari, di ba? Carefree sila, hindi nila iniisip kung ano yung nangyayari. And probably, di ba, mga kasama po nila nagkamali, di ba? Probably they have taken something that is illegal, abused themselves. So naabuso po, sumobra po, yun po yung nangyari. Pero in the process, sino po nagsasuffer? Ang nagsasuffer po, hindi na po sila. Kasi wala na po sila dito. Ang mga nagsasuffer po, yung mga naiwanan po nila. So I would really suggest, okay, right now, if you're listening, always think, no? Number 1, sino yung mga kasama mo? Whether you like it or not, birds of the same feathers, what? Flocks together. Kung mga kasama mo mga talagang lasinggero, chances are you'll be one. Kung kasama mo mga dugurubista, you'll be one. Kung kasama mo mga nagsusugal, you will become like one. So choose the friends that you are going to be with. Number 2, always remember, yung desisyon mo sa buhay, your short-term decision will make an impact in the long term, in the future. So make sure when you make decision, hindi lang dapat pang samantala. We should always think about the future. If this decision can help me in the future, itong decision na ito, will it benefit in my future? Itong decision na itong short-term decision ko, ika nga makakatulong sa akin, makakabigay ba ng ginhawa sa buhay ko? If you say no, don't ever do it. Pag sinabi mong yes, it can help you, okay? That's the time you do it. Again, 2 things that you need to do. Choose the right friends and make sure when you make decision, make the decision for the long term. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive,